My name is Corey Hudson, and today we're going to talk about how to make money on Pinterest. My YouTube channel is all about Pinterest and social media marketing, and basically all videos on how to make more money using it. So diving right in, let's go. What are the main ways to make money on Pinterest? Now, you would think that as somebody who uses Pinterest, it might make sense, but I get this question all the time. Whether you're new or you've been around the block, you may learn a thing or two, so stick around. One of the ways to make money off of Pinterest is affiliate marketing. Now, this is my second video on YouTube and my first one's on affiliate marketing, so make sure you go check it out. It's quick and easy, 2 ways to make money using affiliate marketing on Pinterest. I'll link it below. But affiliate marketing on Pinterest is extremely easy. You paste your commissional links and you watch as they roll in, and guess what? The best thing about Pinterest is they are here and they stick around. Those links will be found in search results for years to come. They're not going to disappear in a story. They're not going to be buried in a feed. You're not going to have to say link in bio, all that good stuff. It's literally a clickable pin or an idea pin or even a photo underneath your pin. I show you how to do that in that video, etc. It's one of the best ways to make affiliate income is using Pinterest. So that's one way. Another way to make money via Pinterest is brand sponsorships. Now, that might seem hard if you're just starting to get out, but trust me, you will start to get free product and make commission off of posting on Pinterest from brands. A lot of brands are starting to realize that Pinterest is here and it's here to stay, and they are putting a lot of money behind Pinterest and pins, especially idea pins right now. They are finding that if they promote pins, they're going a long way. So make sure you put Pinterest and your brands together and offer Pinterest pins. So easy to make. You can do a static photo or an idea pin, repurpose something you already have, offer it to a brand, and try and make some brand money off of that. It's a great way to start a sponsorship if you're just getting out. Say, hey, I offer Pinterest as well, not just Instagram or TikTok or Facebook. So that is one way to make affiliate income from my Pinterest account is through my blog. Now, I typically like to push all of my traffic to my blog. You're going to go to my hudsonfarmhouse.com blog. I'm going to get you there any way I can. While you're there, I then can earn an affiliate commission. I can make money from my ads as you scroll through, and hopefully I'll get an email sign up as well. So if you are just starting out using Pinterest or just starting out blogging or becoming an influencer, I highly suggest you start a website. It doesn't have to be expensive. Use a free theme, get a cheap, use Bluehost, SiteGround, whatever it is. I highly suggest that. A lot of people go back and say, hi, I wish I did that in the beginning. Go ahead and start it. You'll always have, it's something you'll always have. Nobody can take it away. If Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or Pinterest get shut down, you own it. It cannot be shut down. So I would suggest getting a blog. There, all your affiliate links live. It's so easy for me to find an affiliate link because I know it's on my blog. I just search it on my blog. Like, for instance, in the video I did before, I was trying to find a Target link. Well, if I need that, somebody asks for it, like say on my Instagram, I just search that item on my blog and it comes up. Sometimes it's a lot faster because I know exactly what post it's in and how to find it, because if not, sometimes you're digging on reward style or using Link Ninja and trying to find the exact link. So there's so many pros and cons to having a website, and I highly suggest that. So last but not least, to make money using Pinterest is if you sell items. If you have a shop or even a brick and mortar, local's really hard to getting traction on for Pinterest, but if you're an online e-commerce, you have a Shopify and Etsy, that's a great way to get traffic to your shop. There are so many ways to make money on Pinterest, and like I said before, the number one thing is these items are going to be found in search. Someone is actively looking for an item to buy, inspo, or things to get. They want their problem solved, and you need to get your item in front of them so you can make money off of that. Now, if you have any questions and want me to dive further in, I'm more than glad to. I just wanted to start off with a quick how to make money on Pinterest video. Thank you, and make sure you like and follow for more.